You know how when you're doing a garden project and then suddenly then you have a new idea? Well, I got some rock here I'm going to show you. Don't mind the mess, guys. We're working here. So a few weeks ago, we got this off of Marketplace, a whole bunch of rock here for free. And I want to do some borders where I'm working right now. There are some huge rocks here that are not going to be used for the borders, but the smaller ones for sure. Let's see what I'm trying to explain here. So I filled this all up and I'm thinking of creating a border of rock here, just here, like that. What do you think? Should we do that? This is going to be wood. We're thinking. And then maybe another border here and finish it off there. Thinking. Okay, let's move some rocks. So I'm just gonna move this up a bit and out of the way. I hope this looks good. I think it will. So in this area, I need to be kind of cutting out to be able to fit, cut out some of the dirt, take some of this out on the side. So I'm kind of just following the path and taking this out so that I can have some space for those rocks. I just hit my knee. Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Excuse me, Jace. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Hey, quick update. Remember my grid here? Which is not looking like a grid because a lot of this has moved. My dog ended up going in there. Look at that. So, grid or no grid. Sorry, I just got some dirt. Grid or no grid, everything's growing. I gotta come in, take some of that. This is the mother of pearl. This is poppies. But of course I have some that are weeds. But that's weed. But I have plants growing in here everywhere. I am so anxious to see what I get out of this. I know I might not get it all. I'll get some, but that's fine. I'll just transfer into the garden and they'll just keep seeding every year and free plants, right? Well, free plants. Of course I bought the seeds, but it wasn't expensive. I don't know, did I pay $40 for all of these seeds? I don't know. It was really inexpensive. So I got the dirt. Whew. I'm all out of breath, guys. Okay, so I have, this part's done. I'm gonna add a little more dirt and straighten it out. I don't think I'm gonna add any stones here. We'll have that wood. This is done. I'm leaving one out to help him have some space to work. Now for here, I wanna take that piece of wood out. I'm gonna do the same thing. I wanna finish this side off over here too. All done with the rocks. So this side is done. Of course, I'm gonna come in and put some nice mulch in there. This is last year's mulch. The wood pathway I'm not putting any rocks for now here. We'll see about that. I did this side and I did this side. And I'm gonna remulch here. I'm gonna get rid of this darn hose. I hate this hose, guys. It's so heavy. This I like though. This is nice and soft. Okay. I think it's gonna look great. Can you imagine it? Imagine the wood. The wood's the same color as that. The wood, new mulch, beautiful flowers. I can see it. I wanted to take a moment to mention that the person who was bringing my dirt, all this dirt, I ordered a whole bunch of dirt. He came last year and brought me some last year. I bought some off of him. And this year, you know, I called him back and he sent his daughter. He didn't seem to be doing very well. Well, we found out that he had cancer. And so I called this morning and his daughter told me he passed away yesterday. So all of this dirt that you see here is from this person. I don't want to mention names because, you know, privacy. And it's really sad because he was a really, really sweet man. He was very funny and he was full of energy. So, of course, my condolences to the family. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Much more for me to do today. I'm going to keep working in the garden and I will show you what I have done off camera because it's a lot of work doing this on camera. So I'm going to get back to work and in another video, I guess you'll see more results. Till then, keep gardening.